Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. I hope you can see me. I haven't chopped my head off. Today I'm going to be sowing my seeds for the Giant Sunflower Challenge. So this challenge is set up by Nick at Nick's Allotment Diary. I will leave a link below if you want to go check out the rules and check out Nick's video. Anyway, thanks again Nick. He does this every year. It's a really good thing to do. I haven't won it yet. I haven't even had any decent sunflowers yet, but I'm determined this year. So I've got my two varieties of sunflower. I've got a large one which is called Gelby Risen. These are from Lidl's, so they should be quite good, hopefully. These grow to 2 to 3 meters. And I've got another variety called Allotment. These are slightly smaller, more colourful varieties. So we're getting them sown today. And also just got some more seeds to sow as well. So I'm going to do some Leeks, Blue Solace, Swede Brora, and Chinese cabbage Wong Bok. So I'll be getting them sown today as well. So first things first, I've got my seed trays. So I'm going to fill all these up. The sunflowers are going straight into some slightly bigger pots because I've heard they don't really like to be transplanted too much. If you damage the main taproot, they don't grow very big. So I'm trying putting them in bigger pots to begin with, in the hope that I can then plant them straight where they need to be as soon as we're past our last frost date, which will be coming up very soon, mid-May I think for us. We're in mid-Wales here, so about mid-May I think is the last frost. Anyway guys, so I'll get these filled up and then we'll get cracking sowing the seeds. I'll see you in a sec. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the sunflower seeds. So I'm going to do 2 in each pot of each type. So we'll start with the giant ones. Oops. So there's the seeds for the giant ones. So I'm just going to put them in sideways and just press them in with my fingers. I'll do these two. I'll just put in 2 in each pot and put them quite close to the centre, and then covering them over and giving them a firm down. I've got my labels, Sunflower Challenge. I haven't bothered writing the varieties on there because doesn't really matter. So I'll do the same thing for the smaller mixed varieties. So I'll try and get a few different. I'm not sure if this actual colour of the seed's going to make much difference, but I will try and put different ones in. Some of these are quite small, some of them are a bit bigger, so I'll just try and put a mixture in. And I might actually put 4 in these pots. just because they're a bit smaller I might be able to separate them or have backups if some of them die. Right, so let's pop them back in. And do the same with them, just cover them back over. And just give the compost a gentle firm down. You don't want to compact it too much, but just to make sure there's no air pockets in underneath. Just give it a tap and a gentle press down. Then we'll water these with my trusty pressure sprayer. And I'm going to keep these in the greenhouse. Okay, so that's the sunflowers done. I'm just going to do the same thing for all the other seeds. I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Okay, so that's all them seeds sown. As I said, I've done them all exactly the same method for planting them. Just pressing them into the compost and then filling in the hole, just using your finger. So they're the sunflowers. So there's a large variety and a mixed smaller variety. They're not dwarf sunflowers, but they're just not as big as the giant ones. We've got the Leeks in there. With the Leeks I've just put about 5 or 6 seeds, quite equally spaced around each cell, because I can thin them out when they come up. I've not grown Leeks before, so I'm interested to give them a try. This one here is Swede. Again, I've just put 2 or 3, maybe 4 seeds in each cell. They're quite big cells, so I might try and separate them out rather than killing off the weaker ones. And Chinese cabbage, sown the same way again. So I'll get these in the greenhouse. I've also sown some other seeds, I think that was yesterday. So I'll just show you what I've got in the greenhouse at the moment. I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, so I've put all these in the greenhouse now. So I'll just quickly show you what I've got going on in here. These three here are the ones we've just sowed. These are the beetroot, radish, turnip that my daughter sowed, which is doing quite good. The extra beetroots that I thinned out, I've just popped in the empty cells. These are my tomatoes, or some of them. I've got lots of tomatoes indoors as well, but they're doing alright in the greenhouse, so that's good. These are flowers that the kids have been sowing. Oxeye daisies, sunflowers, more sunflowers, cornflowers, can't read that one. But they're flowers. These are carrots, the red core, which I'm growing for baby carrots in these little troughs. I've just planted a load of beetroot in this trough because the peas that I put in there rotted away because they were really old seed. This side's beetroot in here, and snowball turnip. They're doing well. Cauliflower and cabbage. Cauliflower's not doing so great, but they are starting to grow now. I think it's been getting a bit too hot in here. So I've been trying to come and open a door every morning. I sowed a tray of marigolds as well, because I'm going to do an experiment with them this year, using them as sacrifice to the slugs, like a companion plant. So I'll show you that when I get around to doing it. This is sweet corn. I only had 6 sweet corn seeds left, so I've put 3 sunflowers in the other 3 cells in there. These are my sunflower challenge sunflowers, which I just sowed a minute ago. That's a tray of sweet williams that the wife's put in here. Radishes, they're growing quite nicely now. Actually got little radishes on them. They got nibbled a little bit, but as long as the roots are fine, doesn't matter. And there's early Nantes 2 carrots, which I'm growing for baby carrots in that one as well. Alright. Okay then guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the episode today. I know it's only a quick seed sowing episode, so you've probably seen it all before, but it is what it is. So, don't know if you can see the sky behind me. It looks like we might actually be getting some rain today. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you're all well, hope you're all coping well during this lockdown. Again, if you haven't subscribed, if you could subscribe, that would be fantastic. And feel free to leave a comment. And if you do like the video, leave me a like. And I'll see you next time guys. See you later.